hold my wandering soul. The white world remains the only place I call my home. Free traveler bird, forever wild, forever free. Crossing mountain peaks, seeing skyline views, salt on the breeze from the deep blue sea, finding different pieces of me. Every sunrise calls, every road unfolds, another door, something even. I don't count miles, I count the skies, I count the time, living life without a cage, riding currents far away. Free traveler bird, caught up on a reckless wind. No metal chains can ever hold my wandering soul. The white world remains the only place I call my home. Free traveler bird, forever wild, forever free.